Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel, Two Brothers Outdoors. Okay, so the whole reason that we are timing how long it takes us to saw these logs up to do this order is not for our own benefit. I'm retired. I still work a little bit. Tim works full-time. What we do here is basically just a little bit of side money, which turned into a job. Because we're doing really well. We're not complaining.
Absolutely.
But for somebody that wants to buy a sawmill and actually make a living at it, we're just trying to show you the feasibility and what you actually have to do to make a living with a sawmill, which it is possible. You're not going to get rich, but you can make a living. First, you got to find a market and a niche, and then you have to get a routine down to where you have one log ready to go on the mill, one log sawing up, the next log coming on. Two guys working together works great.
Two people is ideal.
And you can do it by yourself, but when two people are working together, if you notice, Tim's a sawyer, I'm a sawyer. The one that's standing back and not actually doing the cutting can see something that's off a little bit. Alert the other guy, alert the other sawyer, hey, this log is off just a little bit. On this video, you're going to see where we had the toe board off on the log, and our cut, we made a miscut. Fortunately for us, the miscut didn't cost us any lumber, it just cost us a little time. So we are timing this stuff so that you can get an idea of what you can make. Now, we use our own logs, and your source of logs is going to determine your bottom line profit. We pay ourselves 30 cents a board foot for pine logs. We pay ourselves 60 cents a board foot for hardwood logs, which is actually more than the market is bearing right now. So we have to maintain 200 board feet an hour of lumber coming off the mill to be able to net a profit of $90 an hour. That's $45 an hour each. Out of that, you have to take your gasoline and your blades out of the mill too, but that's a lower cost.
And if you buy your logs.
Right. And if you do 300 board foot an hour, which is very feasible. These mills are supposedly capable of doing 500 board feet an hour. That's humping. But 300 board feet an hour is doable. 200 is easy.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so let's get sawing this log. We're going to time it, and we'll see what we can do. It is time. Put another log on the mill. Backing it on as we speak. Yep. I have to lift it up because it dropped down behind the. Good? Come my way just a hair. Hold on. No more. Good.
many boards did we got on that one?
How
many boards did we got on that one?
9. Go ahead and get your toe board up a little bit.
Oh, this is a small one, isn't it? Jeez, what the hell is going on with this one? Good?
Yep. Might be too good. Come on down a little bit. A little more. That looks good. Nah, I think it's. Well, let me step back. I'm sorry.
Too high, it looks like to me.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, come on down a little bit more. Keep coming. Keep going. All right, that should do it.
Still good.
All right, guys, I left the camera running so you can see how we work together as a team to get this done. Let me check the time. It was 6 minutes to get this log on the mill and dog down and level. The first cut on a log is the most critical. It determines how much usable lumber you're going to get out of this log. You mess up the first cut and you will definitely lose lumber in the end. So the first cut is the most critical. Get it right. The toe board was too high, it was obvious because he barely cut this end of the log, and that's the thick end of the log. So we dropped the toe board. He's going to start his cut right at his last cut and get that trimmed off. A mistake like this causes a miscut, but fortunately in this case this miscut is only going to cost us time. It's not going to cost us lumber in the end. We were fortunate. Okay, we roll it over 180 degrees, and he is going to go down to the line of not go below. I don't want to get thinner than a 6-inch gant, and he's going to come up 6/4. Okay, so when you're dogging down a cant like this, you want to get your dogs to the very bottom, as far down as you can get them, because the stops are only an inch tall. If you go above the stops, it'll cause the cant to rock as the saw blade goes through it. You end up with diamond cut wood. All right, here we go. We're going to start ripping off the 2x6s. Good time. No good switches. Huh? No good switches. Okay. My bad. Okay, so when you leave a cant on the mill, it makes it easier to lock down the flitches. They don't move.
got it.
We got 8 out of that one, 9 out of the first one. All right, let's call time right there. All right, guys, we're going to stop sawing for tonight. We're going to load up this log for tomorrow night. This is a nice log right here. A little more. Good. No. This is about nice.
Well, you must have loaded this one. All mine are nose heavy.
I think I have to push it forward right down.
I think you are too. Somebody cutting grass today? If they don't-
What's that caution sign? Good?
Yep. I wonder if we get 12-inch can out of this one.
We might be able to get a 12-inch can out of this. Big enough log. Pretty straight, too.
Ready?
Yep. Yep. Go ahead. Oh, what a nice log. We might be able to get a 12 by 12 out of that one. That'll double the 2 by 6s we get out of it. All right, so we're getting this log set up for tomorrow night. Tim is marking his lines on there. Since we're cutting a 6-inch thick cant, he's going from the center of the log out 3 each way. Those are the lines that we will not drop below. Can't quite get a 12 by 12 out of this. It falls just short. But we'll get every 1.5 inch flitch out of it we can.
Every last morsel.
Every last bit. Okay, guys, so you saw that putting the log on the mill. Don't act like you're hot. It's a whole different day. It's cold out today. We're wearing t-shirts and sweating, and now you're sitting here in a vest, and I'm in a hoodie. And we're not, and it's not, it's, all right, anyway, you saw that we got the log on the mill, set up in 6 minutes, and then we cut that log into boards in 13 minutes, and we ended up with 8 boards out of that. And those boards we sell for $4.75 each.
That was the flitches and everything.
That was the flitches and everything. So it's very doable. It works out really well. We hope these videos help you and maybe give you some ideas. If there's anything you'd like to see or us to try, hey, throw it out there in the comments.
Put them in the comments.
Put it right down there. We're willing to.
We'll try it.
We'll try it. We did slow down the cutting because somebody said, "Hey, I like to watch you guys cutting logs, and you're speeding through it on." So we slowed it down. Actual time. All right, guys. Thanks for coming along. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that subscription button.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, and hit that notifications bell. You don't want to miss any of our future videos. Until the next one, we will see you later.